Okay, so I have given the first chapter conception. Nothing is more like if a question is given. Can you see the question? No. Like if question is given sine theta is equal to 8 by 70, find all the trigonometric ratios. So we know that sine theta is p by h. So sine theta is p by h. So let p be 8k and h be 17k, where k is positive. So we get p by h, we get b is equal to 15k, and we put cos b by h 15 by 17 tan p by b 8 by 15, and all the reciprocals you can find out. Nothing is there in the first chapter, कुछ भी नहीं है आपका, बस यही कुछ है. और जैसे आपका एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है ए बी सी एंड राइट एंगल डॉट बी, ए बी is to AC is equal to 1 is to root 2. Find the value of 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. So AB is to AC means P by B given 1 is to 2, 1 is to root 2. So sine is given and you have to convert it into sine. 2 sine A by cos A, or this one 1 plus tan square A. I have told you sec square A. So sec square A 1 by cos square A, 1 by cos square A, 1 cos square 1 cos square cut. We get 2 sin A by 1 by cos A. This one will move out. It has become cos A. So 2 sin A cos A. This sin and cos we have to find out and put here. We will get this. Nothing. These all are simple enough. Okay. These all are simple. Let me see if any other thing is there or not. Otherwise I will move to some particular angles. Oh, nothing is there. Some particular angles you have to make one table, and that table which I show you now, this you have to follow. Easiest table I will make. This is scented pen. If you chewing Jason, we have some values of 30, 45, 60, 90. So sine and 0 is also there. Sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree. All you have to memorize. These all for higher sections also. Sine 0 0, sine 91. This is cos 0 degree. This is cos 30 degree. Sine and cos are complementary, so this will go in the next chapter. Complementary are discussed. Sine 45 cos 45, same value. Sine 30 cos 60, sine 0 cos 90. Okay. So sine 0 degree 0, cos 90 0, sine 30 half, cos 60 half, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, and sine 91. Here cos 0 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 half, cos 90 0. And tan and cot. tan and cot. Tan 0 degree, cot 90 degree. Tan 30 degree, cot 60 degree. Tan 45 degree. These are standard values, standard angles. In class 11 you will get this one, Cartesian plane. All sine, tan, cos means all are positive in this. Only sine and cosec are positive in this. Tan and cot are positive in this, and here cos are second positive at this. All are negative. Here sine, cosec positive, tan, cos, sec, cot negative. Tan, cot positive, sine. All sine, cos formula. This I will show. I am showing it. Let sine 180 degree. Standard angle. Sine 180, I can write sine 2 into 90 degree. 180 means 2 into 90. Plus 0 degree. Here 90 you have to make. Okay. It is rule, if this is even, this will not change. And plus 0. Plus 0 means more than 0. More than 0 is 1. So this 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will go. So 1, 0 plus, so 1, all positive means I will not give minus sign here, and here is even, so I will not change sign, it will change sign, and here 0 degree, sine 0 degree 1, sorry, sine 0 degree 0, sine 0 degree 0, sine 180 also 0, and some identities you will get, sine a plus b. That identity you will get in class 11. When you study class 11, you will get sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus sin b cos a. It is the identity. A square plus b square, a plus b whole square, I have got the identity like that. Sin a plus b you will get identity. Sin a cos b, sin b cos a. I can prove it by this table. Let 90, a plus b 90. So 45 I can take, simple enough. Or I can take 16 also, but 45. Let me take this one, 60 and 30. A 60, B 30.